Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic that has been buzzing in the world of finance and technology. We are diving into how cryptocurrency can change your life in 2024. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can never miss out on our future content. Today we are not just talking about investments, we are exploring the multifaceted ways in which cryptocurrency is reshaping our lives. Now let's get started. The evolution of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has come a long way since the introduction of Bitcoin. In 2024, we are witnessing the evolution of digital currencies and blockchain technology. Major companies and institutions are increasingly embracing cryptocurrencies, and governments around the world are exploring their own digital currencies. This widespread acceptance is a game changer for the financial landscape. Financial freedom and inclusion. One of the most significant ways cryptocurrency can change your life is by offering financial freedom and inclusion. Traditional banking systems can be exclusionary, especially for those in underserved regions. Cryptocurrencies provide an opportunity for individuals to access financial services, make transactions, and even save money without the need of a traditional banking account. Here are some of the people who have changed their lives from cryptocurrency and trading blockchain technology in the past few years. Now let's just talk about the investment opportunities in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have proven to be a lucrative investment for many, and 2024 is no exception. With the maturation of the market, we are seeing new and innovative projects emerge. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting, the cryptocurrency market provides a range of opportunities. From decentralized finance to non-fungible tokens, the possibilities are endless. Here are some of the tips for responsible investing which can guide you for good investment and best profits you can gain from NFTs and crypto. Our next segment is risk and challenges. Of course, it's essential to acknowledge the risk and challenges associated with cryptocurrencies. Market volatility, regulatory uncertainties, and security concerns are factors that can impact your crypto journey. Stay tuned as we discuss strategies to navigate these challenges and safeguard your investments. Opportunities and blockchain careers. The growing adoption of blockchain technology is creating demand for skilled professionals. Cryptocurrency and blockchain related job opportunities are on the rise. Whether you are a developer, a marketer, or legal expert, there is a place for you in the decentralized future. We will explore the various career paths within the crypto space and how you can position yourself for success. Community and networking. One of the most important aspects of cryptocurrency is that one aspect that often gets overlooked is the sense of community within the cryptocurrency space. The crypto community is vibrant, diverse, and passionate. Engaging with like-minded individuals, attending conferences, and participating in online forums can not only enhance your understanding but also open up new opportunities and collaborations. Beyond the financial aspects, remember that success in any endeavor, including your crypto journey, requires dedication, hard work, and goal setting. Whether you are pursuing financial freedom, exploring new career opportunities, or simply expanding your knowledge, set clear goals for yourself. Break them down into manageable steps and stay committed to your vision. Continuous learning and adaptability. Finally, don't forget that the crypto landscape is constantly evolving. Stay adaptable, embrace new opportunities, and be open to learning. Dedicate yourself to continuous improvement, both in your understanding of the crypto space and in your personal development. It's not just about financial gains, it's about growing as an individual and achieving the life you aspire to lead. There you have it, folks. Cryptocurrency is poised to make a significant impact on our lives in 2024 and beyond. Whether you are looking for financial freedom, investment opportunities, or a new career path, the crypto space has something to offer. If you enjoyed this in-depth exploration, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay informed, stay curious, and embrace the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Here's to prosperous and fulfilling future. Take care and see you in the next upcoming video on cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Thank you